What's up, Warriors? Corey here from Warrior Beverages, and today I got to go behind the scenes at a plastic water bottle factory. I got to see how they're made and how many get made every single day. Check this out. So check this out. Do you know what this is? This little plastic bottle is actually this plastic bottle. This is how it actually starts. See, they take thousands of these and they run them through really, really high heat until it blows up and expands. And this little plastic bottle actually turns into this plastic bottle when it's all said and done. Then they run the plastic bottles through a conveyor belt system to the fill line, which fills it up with water. So by using these and expanding it into this, you see a bunch of high heat and microplastics, and then basically we're drinking that water and all of that stuff goes into our bodies. So that's how it works. Take a look at some of this footage that I shot in a secret location, but it's very, very interesting to see how plastic bottles are made, filled, and then we drink them. Check this out.
Look at that right there. They're getting molded.
So now you see how plastic water bottles are made and how it's done, how this turns into this. But honestly, all you need to do is drink this. It's Warrior Alkaline Water in a can, no plastic, no harmful chemicals. This is 7.0 pH alkaline water in a can that has magnesium, calcium, potassium, all the things that make your body feel good, and none of the microplastics. Warrior Beverages, fueled by culture.